Oh my God, man.
It's good to see you, buddy.
Oh, my sweet. I missed you. We're going to play a little game of put a finger down. You can bend it.
I can bend it?
Knuckles do
I
it
don't want to
all.
break him.
It's okay. We're good. The fingers bend. They do whatever you need them to do.
I see where you're going with this.
Put a finger down if you can snap. Can we hear the snap? Ooh.
I'm snappy. What can I say?
I love it. Ooh. That
Little
was
Chris.
solid. Ooh,
Is that good enough? Did you pick that up?
Snap.
You're talking to Matisha.
Let's hear it. Have you ever used sarcasm as a coping mechanism?
Yeah, completely. Like, yeah, I'll put that one down straight away.
Every day. Every day.
Put a finger down if you've ever played an instrument.
I have played an instrument, not very well.
What was the instrument?
Voice?
Oh, absolutely.
And a little guitar?
I attempt the drums.
I do.
And what's the instrument?
Piano.
Put a finger down if you've ever said sorry to an inanimate object.
Oh, all the time. Like, whenever I stub my toe on my table, I'm like, fuck, sorry.
Put a finger down if you've ever said sorry to an inanimate object.
Oh, can I put the shoe?
Yeah. Put a finger down if you sleep with socks on.
No.
No, that's a crime.
God, no, it's a crime. I sweat too much in my sleep. I can't.
Can I get you to make like a secret handshake with Finn quickly?